Here's a new flash alert using the screen and LED flash feature in iOS 26.2 for supported iPhone models, including the iPhone 16 series and the iPhone 17 series and later. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to Accessibility. Scroll down a bit more and tap on the Audio and Visual option. Then, scroll to the bottom and tap on the Flash for Alerts option. Turn on the Flash for Alerts toggle, then choose Screen Only to enable Screen Flash. You can also select LED only, or choose both options to use on Screen Flash along with the LED flash on the back of the iPhone. Select your preferred option and test the screen flash for incoming calls and notifications. These are the easy steps to manage screen flash and LED flash on iPhone. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.